Hello friend, welcome to the Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about the top 10 spookiest cities in the US for the creepiest Halloween vacation. So let's start my video. Top 10 spookiest cities in the US for the creepiest Halloween vacation. Summary. Embrace the spirit of Halloween by exploring the spookiest corner of the United States from haunted tour in the New Orleans, Salem, Chicago and more. Discover the haunted history of New Orleans with a guided ghost tour, visiting earlier location and hiring vivid narrative of the supernatural experience, the haunted charm of Boston, Savannah, Charleston, Louisville, St. Augustine, Key West and nationally thought ghost tour that delve into their earlier past. Halloween, the time of the year and when ghosts and ghosts take the center and stage beckons this seeking Halloween even then by embarking on the journey to the spookiest corner or two of the United States. As Halloween Harvard moon is cast and earlier glow that enigmatic destination invites the departed. Mystery and the embark coverage. New Orleans, Louisiana. In the magical heart of Big Easy, history tales of voodoo, priests and amazing ghost jazz clubs that are worth a trip. Les Bons stamp ruler. This is but beneath the riverly lies a city where spring away to their own hunting melodies. On one can almost hear the bluesy notes of Louis Armstrong's trumpet swaying through the past. Exploring the mysterious depth of New Orleans by day and night can be daunting individual for solo fascinating group experience. Led by experienced local guide participating, visit earlier location like a library, a vivid narrative of the supernatural and beyond. To a New Orleans original ghost, voodoo, vampire and mystery tour cost from $29.99 person, time 2 hours, inclusions local guide. Salem, Massachusetts. Salem is one of the best destinations for Halloween lovers on the east coast. Anthem leaves trails of 1692 still and the town's soul, but Salem has embraced its earlier history. Visitors turn upon the Halloween ground of the Salem, which real memorable and explore street laden with the oaths of the Babbage legacy. Its place where one can't help wonder it the ghostly ghost beaches of Easter years are watching from the spectral shadow. Untold stories behind the Salem, which tell history of 1692 tour history and Haunted of Salem guided walking tour. Cost from $39.99 per person, time 2 hours. Inclusions. Listen to 400 years of Salem history from a local historians. Chicago, Illinois. In the heart of the windy city, the ghosts of gangsters and their gritty explored refuse to fade. Chicago criminal history runs deep and places like a natural AI weapons and the Green Mill Cocktail Lounge still echo tales of Prohibition era time. Amidst the glittering light of the magnificent miles on many may encounter appreciate from the palpable of modern day adventure. Tour gangster and ghost tour in Chicago. Cost from $35 per person, time 2 hours. Inclusion walking tour of Chicago gangster and ghost stories. Savannah, Georgia. In the heart of Georgia, Savannah beckons with the southern hospitality and antebellum and states. With the history and dates back then 1793, Savannah has been seen a share of the temple previously mentioned trapped in the paranormal tour. Savannah Ghost and Gravestone Trolley Tour cost from $36.33 per time, 1 hour 15 minutes, inclusion narrated tour local is taxes. Boston, Massachusetts. In the heart of New England, where scenic streets lead to the birthplace of liberty, Boston stands as a city where the echoes of history linger as in the air as autumn leaves crunch beating on feet along the Freedom Trails. Visitors may find themselves on a spectral journey through in a national park. In Boston's oldest neighborhood, the spring of parades and revolutionary are said to roam, offering a glimpse into a time when the American dream was forged. Unearthed the hidden enigmas, the Boston with a fascinating adventure aboard the trolley ground tour, Boston Ghost and Gravestone's trolley tour. Cost from $47.20 per times 2 hour inclusion. Ghost themed trolley tour. Charleston, South Carolina. In the sultry embrace of the Low Countries, Charleston charm instant beyond its history, architecture, and cobblestone street beneath the Spanish moss draped ox tales of antebellum grandeur blend weirdly with ghostly apparitions. From the shadow of the old exchange building to the spectre of the battery carriage house in careless whisper and the haunting ground of wandering ghost. Tour Ghost of Charleston nighttime walking tour with Unreal Crunch Graveyard. Cost from $35 person. Time 1 hour 30 minutes. Inclusion 19 minutes. Cost of Charleston walking tour professional and licensed tour guide. Louisville, Kentucky. In the heart of Kentucky, bluegrass country, Louisville welcome visitor with open arms and a warm spirit, both of the living and the spectral kind of beyond the barber dislikes and prohibited past tour prohibition ghost cocktail and bites walking tour in Louisville. Cost from $168 per time 3 hours. Inclusions: alcoholic beverage, and audio headset. St. Augustine, Florida. On the Sun Ranch shores of Florida, where Spanish colonial history meets modern and lore. As city Amazon Pass, the town shadow tour, haunted trolley tour of St. Augustine. Cost from $34.31. Time 1 hour. Inclusions tour local taxis. Key West, Florida. At the southmost strip of the continental United States, where turquoise waters catch to the horizon, Key West bask in the internal sunshine, yet beneath its idyllic facade, the island history is as vibrant and diverse as the spring set to hunt it. The ghostly tales of Robert the Tall and earlier apparition of the East Martello poured at themselves. Tour Key West Ghost and Gravestone Trolley Tour cost from $39.85 per person. Time 1 hour. Inclusion: ghost themed trolley tour, narration by a professional guide, local taxis. Nashville, Tennessee. In the heart of the country music soul, where the twang of guitar mingles with the hum of neon lights, Nashville offers a more than just honky experience. Tour Nashville seeking spring hunted pubs cloud cost from $29.99. Time 2 hours. Inclusion of fun and spooky evening, local professional guide. We hope you like the item we recommended and discuss the travel as affiliate and sponsor partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.